Hi, my name is Duncan. I'm with Kinarm Support, and today I'm going to show you how to properly calibrate an endpoint robot that is part number 10288 or 10212 or 10213. These are the type that come with a calibration block. If your endpoint does not come with a calibration block, then you don't need to worry about this. So here we are in Dexterity. I've just turned it on. I'm going to hit the calibrate button, and you can see these red X's mean that these things are not calibrated. So this particular Kinarm has force torque sensors, and you can kind of see that those force torque sensors are reading something, but no one's touching anything. So these need to have they need to be reset to 0. So reset 0, everything looks good now. You need to make sure you're not touching the Kinarm when you do that. So now I'm going to go down in here and need to move the robot in such a way. This is a bit hard to see. There we go. That's where the calibration block needs to go. So the calibration block, the arrow points towards the robot. So you want to put that back on there. And it might be very difficult to get on. It might be a bit tight if it's a newer Kinarm especially. But now what I do is I just grab the handle and I pull so that both linkages are tight against that calibration block. So if both linkages are tight against the calibration block, then that all looks good. And now I'm just going to hit this little button over here. And now if we look on the screen, I get a nice green check beside my left robot. Now we do the same thing again. Push in, pull that calibration block off. Now we have to maneuver this one a little bit to get in there. Both of the calibration block pins are in the holes. Pull tight, hit the button, and there we go. 2 check marks. We're all done. Your Kinarm exoskeleton or endpoint robot is now calibrated.